ceiling fan race. Let's see our contestants. You guys ready, huh?
Yeah, I'm ready. I am turning on the switch.
These are all our contestants. Let's see who stays on the longest. We got Hello Kitty there. Got Hello Kitty there. Let's see who stays on the longest. Ready? Turn on the ceiling fan.
Okay.
Gotta press it all the way up. The one closer to you. Good girl, all the way up. Here we go. Ceiling fan race on the way. Let's see who stays on the longest. Who comes off first? Uh-oh. They're holding on so far. Oh, there we go. Oh, my goodness. Here they come. Bombs away. Oh, no. Guys, come on. Stay on. They will not stay on. Wow, some of them are holding on good. Oh, no. Peanut. Oh, no. Fent. Oh, two left. The Hello Kitties. Which one's going to win? Oh, Hello Kitty. Christmas Hello Kitty wins. Yay. That was a heck of a race.
I win.
Yay, I'm the winner. I'm the winner.
I'm the winner too. I'm the winner too.
Okay, you're the winner too.
Yes, we are both friends.
I'm the winner too.
I am the winner too.
I'm the winner too.
I'm the winner too.
Igor, you're not the winner.
Yeah, I was.
I'm the winner too.
Yes, I am.
I'm the winner too. I didn't have a fair chance. Hey, oh my goodness, the balloon's getting attacked. Save the balloon. I'm the winner too. Bloop.
I got a pop your balloon. Pop.